All right, we have Stitch Pink 2020, block 26, called City Girl. Very pretty.
Hi, I'm Debbie with Rocking Chair Quilts in Butler, Missouri, and today we're doing block 26 of Moda's Stitch Pink called City Girl. So get your pattern printed out, get your pieces all cut, label them however you label them, and the first thing we want to do is build this rectangle unit using the B rectangle and 2 of the C's, and you can draw the line diagonal.
I bet you're going to use the folded corner clipper.
You know I am. I'm going to do it over here. This is the corner that I want chopped off, so it's in the exact right position for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that. I will go sew that, flip it out, and then I can go ahead and actually do this one. I'll go ahead and cut it anyway. And this one I want this corner cut off, so I'm going to turn it like this, because I always want the part I cut in the top right hand corner.
That looks good.
And we're going to make 4 of these, so do that and come back and see me. I'll show you what to do next.
All right, time to go sew.
Okay, I have my rectangles made. The next thing we're going to do is build our center for our block.
It's like a 9 patch.
Yep, it is a 9 patch. So we're going to use our D's and our E's. So the D, you need 5. It's good to have fingernails when you're picking these up. And then for the E's, they go right in here. So you know how this goes. So this row, this row, this row. So your 3 rows together. Come back and we'll put our block together.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, you guys were so fast getting that sewn. Look at that. All right, we are ready to put our block together, believe it or not. So all we do are put these rectangles on the sides.
Kind of make star points, don't they?
Yes. And put your A squares in the corners. So pretty much we're ready to put our block together. You're going to sew these 3 together, these 3 together, these 3, sew your 3 rows together. Once you have that done, we have 2 little border stripes on here. This one goes across the top. It's 11 3/4. This one's 12 1/2. After you get that sewn on, you can sew this on. Your block is all put together.
All right.
Thank you for joining us for block 26. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Yes, block 26.
Okay.